Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. I appreciate everyone's well wishes. I am still slightly under the weather, but working my way to be back to healthy. So I apologize if my voice goes in and out. This week we're going to be focusing on health compromising behaviors. So there are quite a lot that you'll go over in the chapter. Some that may be surprising. But I think this is really important as we continue on with the behavior change project and you are implementing those changes in your own life. So this week, you will be responsible for watching the additional content videos that there's 2 of them that I've included. I've included an article on opioid usage, and then obviously the chapter in the Smart Book, quiz. There's another assignment that I'll go over. It's a 3-day smartphone tracking. There's a substance use and abuse lab, continue journaling. So this started in week 4. So we'll be going over 4, 5, 6, and 7 for your behavior change project. And I'm expecting 5 journals a week for full credit, well, for up to full credit, and that's really if they're quality journal entries. I've given some example questions and things that you should be looking at that I can go over with you now. And then begin studying for the Unit 1 exam. It opens this week and it will be due by the end of week 6. I would recommend taking this whole week to review and prepare for the exam. It is timed, but it is open book and open note, so you can use the resources that you have, but the exams are very difficult. So I would recommend going back over the readings, the quizzes, the information from the text. Okay, so you will find most everything in this folder. So these are the 2 videos I would like you to watch. This is the article about the opioid epidemic. It's eye-opening, and so I think it would be maybe some surprising to some, maybe not to others, but it's just very good information to have as we go over health compromising behaviors. Okay, this is the 3-day smartphone tracking assignment. I'll go into it in a minute. We've got your Smart Book chapter, the quiz, and then the substance use and abuse lab. So this one is required for everyone. This one for those maybe who are smokers or utilize nicotine. This is optional. It is not a requirement, but it is good information. If you've ever thought about quitting or want to get a little bit more information as to the heart of maybe why you do smoke. So this is optional, not a requirement. This one is required for everyone. So I just want to make sure that that is clear. Okay, so for the 3-day smartphone tracking assignment, if you click on the attached file, it will pull up a Word document. So here are the instructions. So there's 3 parts. So you want to make sure you do every single one. So this one, install a smartphone usage tracking app on your phone. Don't pay money for any. There are free ones that you can use. And then just, with any download, we're not liable for any damage due to your device or any damage to your device due to a download. So just be cautious and use common sense when you're downloading an app. Part 2, complete the following questionnaire. So you're going to rate 1 through 7. 1 is completely disagree, 7 is completely agree. So 1 through 7 on how much you agree or disagree with each of these statements. Once you're done, you're going to add up your scores to form a total, and then you're going to compare it to the results table on the next page. So there's 20 questions, and this is what you're going to rate your scores against. So obviously there's very different levels, so whatever your total score is, you're going to find the one that fits that. And then part 3, you're going to actually, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, okay. So you're gonna do 3 days of tracking. So you're just the app that you download, you're going to be able to click into it for each day and see your total screen time for each day. So we do want 3 days. And then your score from the questionnaire, and then a short half-page reaction to the findings. So you're going to do this on a Word document, and then you will upload it into this link for me to grade. Okay, if you have any questions about any of this, please let me know. I'll be happy to go over that with you. And then, so you'll continue journaling. I'm pleased with the results that I've seen so far. I will begin grading those as soon as week 1 closes. So Monday you'll start to see grades in your grade book for the week 1 of journaling. Just again, a reminder, you need 5 days worth for each week. So you need to be doing a journal entry every day for 5 days. So there are 7 days. That means you don't have to for two of the days. But if it's now today's Saturday, and if you have not done so yet, I would recommend that you do one today and one tomorrow, so you at least get partial credit for the 2 journal entries. And then your Unit 1 exam can be found in either this Unit Exams folder here, or obviously the Unit Exams tab on the left-hand side of Blackboard. Okay, so have a great week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to continuing to see the great progress that you're making on your behavior changes. Thanks.